In the quiet corners of the cosmos, there are planets that should not exist. Horizon takes us to extreme worlds where physics is tested, not obeyed. Some planets are hotter than molten metal, with days that burn and nights that freeze within hours. Others orbit so close to their stars that their atmospheres are dragged by non-stop supersonic winds. There are worlds so dense that a single step would crush your body under layered gravity. And some planets do not rain water, but glass, falling sideways with relentless force. In this universe, the extreme is not an exception. It is a possibility.